A couple years ago, I bought some perlite and made a stove out of the perlite. I used it as a insulation to control the heat. And what I was doing, I was melting aluminum and pouring ingots like this one out of all my scrap aluminum I had laying around. So anyway, I had a whole bunch of perlite left over, and you can see I dumped it out in the garden to help sweeten the soil, along with some ammonium sulfate and some ashes out of my fireplace. And anyway, I'll just sweeten the soil by tilling it all in. I could show you more in high speed, but what's the point? I'm sure you get the general idea. If you want to watch the beginning of the movie, I believe I called it Garden Ripping 1. And if you want to watch that video, on the lower left corner of your screen, there might be a blue dot with an M in it. Click on that, or click on Mill Renew, and you can watch the beginning. It's called Ripping the Garden 1. So that's what it looks like after you go over it a couple of times. Got all the goodies on there to sweeten the soil. Let's see, it's November 14th, 2022. I'll probably hit it a couple more times. Let's say December 14th, and then January 14th, and so on and so forth until growing season starts. So it'll be nice and soft and for the roots to take hold. Thanks for watching.